Get ready to connect to the AT&T network in minutes with this simple guide to activating your new SIM card. First things first, unbox your new AT&T SIM card. You should have a small card with the SIM itself, and possibly some helpful information. Make sure your smartphone is powered off before you begin. Now, locate the SIM tray on your phone. This is usually on the side or top of your device. You might need a small SIM ejector tool or a straightened paper clip. If you don't have one, gently push the tool into the small hole next to the tray to pop it out. Carefully place your new AT&T SIM card into the tray, making sure it aligns with the notch. Then, gently push the tray back into your phone until it clicks securely into place. Now, let's activate. The easiest way is online power on your phone, and once it boots up, open your web browser and go to the AT&T activation website. You can usually find the direct link on the AT&T website or in the materials that came with your SIM card. On the activation page, you'll be asked to enter some information. This typically includes your account details, like your phone number, and the SIM card number itself. This number is usually printed on the SIM card or its packaging. Follow the on-screen prompts carefully. If you prefer to activate over the phone, simply dial the AT&T activation number, which should also be provided with your SIM card. You'll be guided through the process by an automated system or a customer service representative. Have your account information and SIM card number ready. Once your activation is complete, your phone might restart after it powers back on. You should see the AT&T signal bars appear at the top of your screen, indicating you're connected to the network and ready to go.